friends, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for coming back for another cleaning motivation. In today's video, I'm gonna speed clean my house. If you need some cleaning motivation to get up and tackle your own mess at home or someone to clean with you, then stay tuned and clean with me. Let's do this! If this is your first time here on my channel, hello and welcome. I am so glad you're here. My name is Selle. I am a working mommy of an 8-year-old sweet boy. I upload new videos every single week about cleaning, organization, and mommy lifestyle. I would love for you to subscribe and join my YouTube family, so be sure to say hi and introduce yourself in the comment section. Here I started in my living room, tidying up the coffee table, and I need to vacuum my couch.
Every now and then you lose in life. What you're risking when you roll the dice. Now I'm gonna place the bet on me. I do believe
All products I use to clean will be listed in the description box below, so if you guys are interested to know, be sure to check that out.
I do believe. Still you're giving me nothing, a whole lot of nothing, baby. Wouldn't settle for something, but I'm giving in with the waiting. Well, your darling is zero, no hint of a hero. Now you're selling me stories, but I don't believe you. I do believe it. Still you're giving me nothing, a whole lot of nothing, baby. Wouldn't settle for something, but I'm giving in with the waiting. Well, your darling is zero, no hint of a hero. Now you're selling me stories, but I don't believe you.
I wanna give you a million things, cause isn't love what it's all about? And how to make you smile again is something that I wanna figure out. I wanna catch you like every time that you fall. I wanna give you the world that is outside your walls. If I was God, I would save you, take you where you belong. If I could, I would give something new, then I would have what it takes. Make you feel like you're safe, cause all I need is just someone like you, someone like you, someone like you. Yeah, I just need someone like you, someone like you. Yeah, I just need someone like you, someone like you. You don't have to feel like this, yeah, we could try to leave it all behind. And we don't have to think about it, oh baby, try to rest your mind. I wanna catch you like every time that you fall. I wanna give you the world that is outside your wall. If I was God, I would save you, take you where you belong. If I could, I would give something new, then I would have what it takes. Make you feel like you're safe, cause all I need is just someone like you, someone like you, someone like you. Yeah, I just need someone like all you need is someone true like you are. 'Cause all you need is somebody. Cause all you need is someone true like you are. Someone like you. Yeah, I just need someone like you. Someone like you. Yeah, I just need someone like you. Someone like you. You know I met you in the dark, it was a Saturday night. Remember seeing you just dancing in the middle of the crowd. There was something about you, 'cause you got stuck in my mind. Stuck in my mind, stuck in my mind. I thought I'd give it a go and I started talking to you. I don't know what I said, but the next thing I knew is that I held you in my arms and you asked what we should do. What should we do? What should we do? I said you can do what you want to with me. Yeah, I won't mind. As long as you stay with me, I'm alright. I wanna hold ya. I wanna hold ya. You got those red lips, blue eyes, black skinny jeans. In every room you walk into, you're always setting the scene. I wanna hold ya, hold ya. We went out of the club and we started walking the streets. And then we stopped for a while and you said you wanna kiss me. I remember thinking, is this really happening? Happening. I never thought I'd meet someone so beautiful. I couldn't quite believe it, it was magical. Just kissing under street lights on our way back home. Our way back home, our way back home. I said you can do what you want to with me. Yeah, I won't mind. As long as you stay with me, I'm alright. I wanna hold ya. Baby, I've been falling for ya. I wanna hold ya. Baby, I've been falling for ya. Falling for ya. You got those red lips, blue eyes, black skinny jeans. In every room you walk into, you're always setting the scene. I wanna hold ya, hold ya. Baby, I've been falling for ya. Falling for ya. Met you in the dark, met you in the dark. Met you in the dark, met you in the dark. Met you in the dark, met you in the dark. Met you in the dark, met you in the dark. Met you in the dark, met you in the dark. Met you in the dark, met you in the dark. Met you in the dark, met you in the dark. I wanna hold ya. I wanna hold ya. Baby, I've been falling for ya. I wanna hold ya. Baby, I've been falling for ya. I wanna hold ya. Baby, I've been falling for ya. I wanna hold ya. Falling for ya.
Don't talk about it like you're crazy. You know damn well I can't replace you. Just say what you mean. Don't waste your time being mad at me. Say what you mean, say what you mean. And you'll get what you need, get what you need. What I do is try to give you more than words. When I say I quit, it's only 'cause it hurts. We got places we can go to figure out what we've done, what we need, what to do. Yeah, I got you, I got you, I got you. The way you look at me is absent. It's like you're walking through a labyrinth. Just say what's going on. Don't waste your time being all alone. Say what you mean, say what you mean. And you'll get Get what you need, get what you need. What I do is try to give you more than words. When I say I quit, it's only cause it hurts. We got places we can go to figure out what we've done, what we need, what to do. Yeah, I got you, I got you, I got you. Don't blame me, cause you're pushing me away. Don't say to me that we'll talk another day. Cause my phone won't be ringing anyway. That's how you roll, yeah. What I do is try to give you more than words. When I say I quit, it's only cause it hurts. We got places we can go to figure out what we've done, what we need, what to do. Yeah, I got you, I got you, I got you. What I do is try to give you more than words. When I say I quit, it's only cause it hurts. We got places we can go to figure out what we've done, what we need, what to do. Yeah, I got you, I got you, I got you. Something I can never be without, yeah. I'm in your command. Thought I was a man of my own will. It's been 2 years. I'm only a shadow of the good on me now. A breeze in my ear, cause you know I cannot say no to you. Feeling like home, but should it be like this? Locked up in your dome, you know I fight for you. What do I do? Every time you call my name, what do I you're whipping me into madness. I try to lay low, but I can never stay away from you. What do I we can't stop it, so I keep on rolling in silence. So I keep on rolling in silence. I find myself apologizing when you've started it. Why? Under a spell, I really wonder how did it come to this. Go see my friends, but then I realize they're all your friends. Is this who I am? You see me running around in circles, feeling so sweet, but should it be like this? I'm loving the heat, I think I'm losing it. What do I do? Every time you call my name, what do I you're whipping me into madness. I try to lay low, but I can never stay away from you. What do I we can't stop it, so I keep on rolling in silence. So I keep on rolling in silence. Is this really healthy? Maybe I need therapy, yeah. Red carpet for you, let me hold your bag. I'll carry your shoes, I think I've lost it. What do I do? Every time you call my name, what do I
I hope this video gives you lots of motivation to tackle your own mess at home or whatever chore you need to get done today. If it did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment down below, and share this to a friend to inspire them as well. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so you don't miss out on my new future videos. If you wanna follow and connect with me, you will find my Instagram account link in the description box below. Thank you all so much for watching. I really do appreciate you, and I will see you all again on my next video. Bye!